Welcome. If you're curious about how to reveal spoiler text on Telegram web using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Spoiler tags are a fantastic way to keep surprises intact, whether you're discussing movies, TV shows, or any sensitive information. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view hidden spoiler text in Telegram web. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Telegram web on your PC. Telegram has rolled out the spoiler feature across all platforms, including the web version, so you can enjoy the same privacy and excitement as on the mobile or desktop app. To get started, open your browser and head over to Telegram web. Log in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the chat that contains the spoiler text you want to reveal. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Spoiler tags work everywhere. Now, look for the message with the spoiler text. Spoiler text is usually hidden under a fuzzy or blurred overlay, making it unreadable at first glance. This is Telegram's way of protecting you from unwanted spoilers and letting you decide when you're ready to see the hidden content. To reveal the spoiler, all you need to do is click directly on the blurred or fuzzy text. Instantly, the hidden message will be uncovered, and you'll be able to read what was concealed. It's that easy. No complicated menus or extra steps required. This feature is especially useful in group chats where not everyone wants to see spoilers right away. By clicking on the spoiler text, you control what you see and when you see it, keeping the experience fun and respectful for everyone, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can reveal any spoiler text on Telegram web using your PC. Enjoy chatting, stay spoiler-free until you're ready, and make the most out of Telegram's latest features. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.